A federal judge in New Hampshire just blocked Trump's birthright citizenship order. And I'm not sure how I feel about it. President Trump's new executive order limits birthright citizenship to babies with at least one parent who is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. If not, no citizenship, even if you're born right here. Cue the legal battle. The New Hampshire judge approved a class action lawsuit, but here's the twist. The class is just the babies, not their parents, which means technically a baby just became a class action plaintiff. The judge called the potential denial of citizenship irreparable harm. That's legal speak for this is a big deal and probably unconstitutional. Here's where it gets interesting. What makes someone a legitimate citizen? Is it geography, legal status of your parents, or is it, as the 14th Amendment suggests, simply being born here? If the definition of citizenship can change based on who's in power, what exactly makes someone truly American? The 14th Amendment says anyone born in the U.S., subject to the jurisdiction of its laws, is a citizen. For over a century, courts have interpreted that to mean everyone born here, regardless of whether their parents were here legally or not. But now that interpretation is under pressure. Some legal scholars and the Trump-era executive order argue that if someone is in the U.S. illegally, they are not truly under the jurisdiction of the U.S. because they are violating immigration law. And therefore, their children shouldn't qualify for automatic citizenship. So which interpretation is correct? Limiting automatic citizenship to babies of legal residents or citizens could help reduce incentives for undocumented immigration and promote the idea that citizenship is earned through legal ties, not simply birth location. It would create clearer immigration enforcement, avoid mixed status family complications, and reinforce respect for the legal immigration process. However, a growing number of US-born children would live here without legal status, despite being culturally and linguistically American. This could result in a permanent underclass of non-citizens who are excluded from full participation in society. Do you think the United States should continue granting automatic citizenship to all children born here, even if their parents are undocumented? Is birthright citizenship a core part of American identity, or a policy in need of reform?